How Things Work by Gary Soto. Today, it's going to cost us $20 to live. 5 for a softball, 4 for a book, a handful of ones for coffee, and 2 sweet rolls, bus fare, rosin for your mother's violin. We're completing our task. The tip I left for the waitress filters down like rain, wetting the new roots of a child, perhaps a belligerent cat that won't let go of a bald sock until there's chicken to eat. As far as I can tell, daughter, it works like this. You buy bread from a grocery, a bag of apples from a fruit stand, and what coins are passed on helps others buy pencils, glue, tickets to a movie in which laughter is thrown into their face. If we buy a goldfish, someone tries on a hat. If we buy crayons, someone walks home with a broom. A tip, a small purchase here and there, and things just keep going, I guess.